What's going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. You have reached Tesla Picker. Thank you for tuning in. Alright, first, if this is your first time, I said first if this is your first time. First, bruh. Yeah, I guess that's how you say it. First, if this is your first time, I'm a part-time reseller. Let me start all over.
Oh, come on, man.
Okay, first, if this is your first time tuning in to the channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, yard sales, and do a little retail arbitrage at different stores. Look for product at a low price, of course. Sell it on eBay for a little higher, make a little profit, right? If you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up. Straight up, you know what I'm saying? It's free, don't cost you anything. Hit the like button and all that other stuff as well, all right? Today is probably gonna be like a 2-day video because I know what I'm doing tomorrow, and today is kind of a freestyle day. So first, I only told 2 things, right? Bruh. Y'all watch a lot of challenges, I'm sure, and you always hear the good stuff, the good stuff, the good stuff. Never the bad stuff, really, right? Well, here we transparent for all you new folks, and I'll show you my good days, my bad buys, my good buys, my no buys, whatever happens, you know what I'm saying? And I only sold 2 things, and 2 low price things too. One was for like $10, which is like a viewer sale, and the other one was for like the same. So let's just get into it real quick. First one was a viewer sale. It was a Crayola Orton Edge Harry Potter coloring book. It sold for, what did it sell for? $10.25, free shipping. Free shipping, I think. All right, and that was from a viewer. The viewer said, "Hey, I'm a viewer and a subscriber. I'm getting this for my 26-year-old daughter who's a huge Harry Potter fan. Love your videos. Your boys are adorable. Keep up the good work. Thanks so much, Peggy." Peggy, I appreciate it. Without your sale, I would have had probably 1 sale today. The second thing I got going out is a Lego Star Wars game. It sold for $10, free shipping as well. And where's it at? Right here. I got that out of this bulk buy. I'm going to put that down in the description because it's a crazy video. The guy is hilarious, believe me. I'm not just trying to put this video out there. You will love it, man, because I don't know, it's just a fun video. All right, it's a private deal I did, and I got a bunch of video games for like $1,000, and must see, must watch. And that's it. Today I got a lot of things on the agenda. I got to put some brakes on my car. Basketball season starting up soon, so my boys, I'm gonna have to do a little training with them on basketball. Got to do a little yoga work, some bushes. I'm off today, but I'm not off today. I do more work off than I do at work. Going to work is my vacation. You understand? So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, this is the next day.
Yep, this is the next day. Today is a better day. We got 8 things going out today. See, sometimes you have good and you have bad. One day you have a slow. Next day you might sell record numbers. You just never know. But I think today I sold a total of maybe almost $300, which is pretty good for me. $300, that's crazy, ain't it?
Yes.
Crazy. Anyway. Super Smash Brothers, another GameCube game, disc only. This went for $39.99 plus shipping. The buyer's about, I only charge them $2.99 shipping, so great sale, man. I had maybe 2 or 3 Super Smash Brothers, and all of them went for at least $40 a piece, which is the lowest price one actually. So that was a good sale.
That sucks.
What does?
That GameCube game.
How you know? You ain't never played it before.
I can just tell by the barcode.
Bruh. Yeah. Second thing we got going out is this Carhartt iPhone SS Max case. This might be, I ain't gonna say it's a bolo because you ain't gonna find these at work, because this is a brand new, and I got this from Gimme 5 for $5. This actually sold for $45 plus shipping. The buyer's about almost $50 into this case. And I bought it for $5 from my Gimme 5 liquidation bin store. Good sale. I had no idea it was gonna go for that much. I knew it was a good buy. I know Carhartt's good. I never seen a Carhartt case, and yeah, man. So if you ever see any Carhartt cases out there, get them. Had no problem selling that. No OtterBox. You have problem selling them on eBay, but what you got to say?
You're selling another one of these?
Okay, yeah. Let's just get right into the next one.
Were you selling another one of that?
Yeah, next one. I saw one of these yesterday, didn't I? But it was
no, the day before yesterday.
Day before, yeah. But it was Talk 2, and this is just the regular old Talk. The Power of Juju. It sold for $13.49, free shipping. Not a strong sale, but Hey, y'all know I'm penny into this. I got this from my game lot. I always say I'm gonna link it and I always forget it, but I promise this video I'm gonna link the actual haul that I did with the guy. It was a funny haul. I'm gonna link that, and I actually got some more footage from a yard sale I went to. The first time I met him, I haven't even posted yet. So if you guys want me to, if you guys watched my previous video on the game haul, let me know if y'all want me to post the extra footage that I got from this yard sale. The very first time I met him, I did not post that footage, and he was talking then too. So I don't know, I might go ahead and post that.
And he ugly.
Who's ugly? Which one?
Awesome.
Oh, the one. He's talking about him right there. The next video is the Billy and Mandy, the Grim Adventures on GameCube. This game went for $31.49 plus shipping. So the buyer is almost like $36, $37 into this. This is another surprise. I didn't know it was gonna go for that much. GameCube games, I'm telling you, man, if you can find them, they do pretty good right now.
Are you getting these at Goodwill?
Nah, not these. Anyway.
You getting too much of these, because last time I saw you with these, you had 200 of them. And then last time I saw you with the Pops, you got 24 of them. They're still in the garage.
Okay, but the next thing. Next thing on the list, I do got a bunch of these. I got about probably what? He's right, probably about 100 or 200 of these. It's kind of a bread and butter. This is the Gardener. It's some type of mess maker for your hair. I'm about $1.50 into all these. I took a best offer on these of $12. I was selling 2 for $15. So the buyer with shipping is about $15, $16 into it, which is still a good buy. I don't mind letting them go for that because they ship fairly easy. Hey, whenever you can make a sale, right? I usually sell about 2 or 3 lots of these a week. So pretty good, right? What's the next thing we got going on?
It's a shirt, dude.
Not no shirt.
What do you know with a shirt? You selling shirts on eBay?
It's a home privacy curtain. Paid $5 for this. I got this at that Gimme 5 liquidation sale as well. It's brand new. Sold for $42 plus shipping. Buyer's about $47, $48 into it. I don't know why I only charge $3.99 shipping. I'm tripping. But yeah, great buy. Only $5. Turned it into $45 plus shipping. Hey, can't beat that. All right.
Julie, this is a Julie.
Last but not least, we got.
No, second to last and not least, the socks after this.
Oh yeah, you right. You right. My fault, cuz.
Hey, you don't say cuz. You say my fault.
All right, my fault. We got what we got? Some jewelry going out. This is Robert Rose Hawaiian style 4-inch. I got this in the jewelry haul. I'm gonna try to list that too, man. I got what I get.
No. Is that real?
It's costume jewelry, but it's sold for $15 plus shipping. The buyer's about $20 into this. I got a buku load of jewelry for like $60, and it's just too much. And I got my money on that maybe 25 times already, and I still got a bunch I have to list. What you got to say?
I can tell those are earrings because there's needles in the back.
Yeah, there is needles in the back. You're right. So anyway, they're about $20 into this. Last but not least. All right, so today we got a couple things we got to do. Where we got to go? We might go to the Goodwill.
Wait, would you record me in the if I make a shot in the basketball rooms or not?
Yeah, we might go take him to shoot some ball. I might record a little bit of that. I got to change my brakes, but that's what I got to do.
You're changing your brakes after we come from the basketball rims, if they are.
Anyway, we kind of freestyling, so let's see what else we got in store for today. All right.
And don't forget.
Oh.
And don't forget.
Almost forgot. I had some socks go out too to an actual viewer. And the viewer said, "Thanks, Dave. I rock these socks while my son's rocking my Mario socks." Last video, I made some Mario socks for Michael, and he went on and bought some actual. I said Michael.
It is Michael Yanzi.
It's not Michael. It's Matt.
It's
Matt bought some Mario socks from me, and he went on and bought some Ultimate Warrior socks from me as well. So he said he'll rock them while his son is rocking the other ones. All right. So I haven't made them yet. Gotta make them. My heat press is heating up now. So you wanna go in here and make them real quick?
Let me say something funny. Mac Yanzi.
Let's go here and make them real quick. All right. Okay, so tell people what you're doing now.
Put in the socks on these things. That's how you make the socks. These are gonna turn into When you go, the socks you're making?
Ultimate Warrior socks?
Yeah, those socks you're making.
Okay. But they start out all white like this, right?
Yep.
You put them on jigs first, right?
Yep.
Okay. You're doing a good job. Oh, he's the best jig putter owner there is. Tell him.
Yep.
How much you charge to do that?
$10.
Bruh.
It's not bad.
It's not a bad deal. Just to put the socks on there, $10?
Yeah.
It's not a bad deal at all, is it?
Maybe like put these socks on there. $2.
$2?
Yeah, $1 each one.
Gotcha. All right,
I'm done.
Let's go make it. So we got Cam. Where you been at?
Homework.
Been upstairs doing your homework?
That's good.
We're making the Ultimate Warrior socks real quick. I'll go Devin. Let me see. Okay. Can't see you guys. I need some light. There you go. Alright,
sounds like you're done.
Socks out real quick.
You're done, boys.
Alright, here's Ultimate Warrior socks.
Woo! Oh my god, you're so strong. Oh, hot. Hot.
Oh my god, you're so strong. Alright, check these out.
Steaming and hot.
Still. Appreciate it, Matt. Appreciate the love. Put them in the bin. I'll show you. Show you. Find something in here? Or no?
Yes, I sure.
Alright, let's go. We're in the Goodwill.
I didn't think it was Goodwill.
Got my older son with me too. We're gonna see if we can find something in this Goodwill real quick. Boys is training. Let's see. What happened? What you see? See anything?
Yeah, I don't have to. I see.
I like put it in the dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty.
I saw.
Alright, so what we doing now?
That's about here. Huh?
What we doing now?
Going to TJ Maxx.
You go to TJ Maxx? We're gonna do a little retail arbitrage because the Goodwill
Then we're gonna stay in 2 hours.
Huh?
We're gonna stay in there for 2 hours like you always do.
You ain't gonna stay in here that long.
One time you stayed in here for 5 hours.
Bruh. A tripping. We didn't find nothing in the Goodwill, did we?
No, you didn't find anything in the Goodwill.
Alright, well, we're gonna go in here. Still got Dave with us. Oh, let's go. Let's see if we can do a little retail arbitrage.
Open! Oh, this is actually 6 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 feet? Huh. We can see how much it is on eBay.
I'm not buying it.
I know, but just see how much it is though. Why didn't we get none out of there?
Because I wanted to leave.
Is that why?
Yes.
It's not why.
I don't know.
Cause that lamb was off the chain, wasn't it?
Yeah. And I want to go home anyways.
Alright, well, yeah, we've been out. Let's go home. You got soccer practice as well.
I'm not going, dude.
Yeah, we didn't get that out of there because the lamb was off the chain, so. I think I'm in the video right here. Where the car? I'm tripping, my fault. I think I'm in the video here. I'm about to pass up the car. What they gotta do at the end of the video? Tell them what to do.
Like.
Here, tell them right.
Like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Shout out.
And comment, right?
Yeah.
Y'all be good.